In the previous video we did batch tracking of the video ultrasound data. Here I want to show you how you can perhaps tidy up some of the tracking. If I select one of the recordings here, you can see that because the template position was around about here at the start, it takes a few frames for the tracker to lock onto the tongue surface. Now there's a relatively easy way to fix this. If you go into Edit Splines and you can look at the track back option, what this does simply is start at the end of the recording or the end of the selected sequence of frames and work back towards the beginning again. And since by the end of the recording it's locked onto the contour, this should tidy up the display. So if we try that, track back, select the whole of the recording and process. You can see working back from the end towards the beginning again that it's now following the contour and we've lost all that artificially tracked tongue contour. Now, in doing this on this individual frame, recording rather, we haven't got the trimming anymore, so if you go into Fit High-Eyed, select Mandible and do Crop Tongue with Mandible, and there we go, we've got the cropped version back again. Okay, finish this.